Today we are making a big giant hamburger. Are you ready? Go! First, I'll prepare lunch. Cucumber, tomato, lettuce, slice of cheese, bacon, margarine, topping, tuna, no eggs, yucks, restore. Cut your buns into two. Check our pencil. Don't forget agamari. Toast our buns on the wall with our beef. Other side. This is put margarine on our buns. And then put cucumbers, tomato, lettuce, cheese. Put the patties. Don't forget pepper and bacon. It's real. Perfect. It's tuna. And don't forget cover each in the buns. Bye.